I'm Katie Stazak. This is my horse Bear. We've been partnered now a little more than 2 years. We came to the Ridge for the first time last season and jumped our first Grand Prix here. It was a super introduction to the level, and it's given us so much confidence. We were top 5 in the Rising Star Classic on our first show of the year here, and he just put in another great round. Looking forward to the Grand Prix on Friday. I love the Ridge for a lot of reasons, but as someone who is a working person in the industry, having the flexible schedule and to be able to come for that entire time block and on easier days like Wednesday or Friday instead of the weekend has just been huge and allowed me to actually get in the ring in the winter when I'm really busy with work. So I really appreciate it. I'm grateful to have a wonderful horse and team. The Blumens have really supported the Ridge over the last few seasons. So coming with them has been great fun, and I'm really grateful to have the opportunity here in Loxahatchee and Wellington.